Yo, what's up guys? This is Jared Teller. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get six-pack abs for beginners. Now, I know that there's a lot of teens and young adults that subscribe to my channel, and you're probably in school. So you want to look good for the girls and the guys, right? When I was in school, I made sure that I had a six-pack so that when I took off my shirt, the girls will just love me, all right? And it did happen, all right? So I'm gonna show you how to get six-pack abs. Let's jump into it. All right, so like I said plenty of times, all right? Your six-pack is divided into three groups, all right? It's the upper, the lower, and the obliques, all right? The right and left side obliques, all right? Those are the three main muscle groups of your core muscles, okay? So I'm gonna show you 3 exercises that will target each muscle group. All right, so since this video is about how to get six-pack abs for beginners, I'm gonna show you beginner six-pack core exercises that you could do anywhere, all right? The first exercise that we're going to do is just the crunches. The crunches is a perfect exercise that works out the upper abs, all right?
So to perform the crunch, all you need to do is lay back, all right? And put your hands behind your head, bring your legs up like this. And the goal here is that you want to crunch up and make sure at the same time you contract your abs, all right? And then back down, all right? So you want to come up and then back down, all right? This is a perfect exercise for your upper abs. So let's just do 10 reps of these exercises, all right? And let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right, awesome. The second exercise that we're going to do is called the reverse crunch. The reverse crunch is a perfect exercise that works out your lower abs, okay? So to perform the reverse crunch, all you need to do is lay back down, all right? And put your hands back behind your head, put your legs up like this. And the goal here is to crunch in reverse. So you want to bring back your legs like this, all right? And then back out, all right? Come in and then out, okay? You should feel your lower abs engaging while you bring your legs back, okay? So this is how you perform the lower crunch that works out your lower abs, okay? All right, so let's just perform 10 reps of these exercises. All right, and let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome, good job. All right, the reverse crunch is awesome to work out your lower abs. The third exercise that I'm going to show you is called the sitting twist. This is a perfect exercise that works out your obliques, your right and left side obliques, all right? So to perform the sitting twist, all you need to do is sit down just like this, okay? Bend your legs slightly, all right? The goal here is that you want to touch the ground on each side. So you want to twist and tap the ground, all right? And then back over just like this. Don't lean on the ground, just tap the ground on each side, all right? So just twist, tap it, and then twist to the other side, tap the ground, then twist to the other side and tap the ground, all right? Just like this, all right? And this is a perfect exercise that works out your obliques, or just your entire core, but focuses on the obliques, all right? So let's just perform 20 reps of this exercise, okay? So it's 10 on each side, basically. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right guys, so I really hope this video helped you out, all right? These are 3 six-pack core exercises that you could do for beginners, all right? Like always, make sure that you're eating healthier, okay? I cannot stress this enough. You could perform all of the six-pack exercises that you want, all right, until you die. But if your body fat percentage is too high, the fat will block your six-pack abs, and you won't see your six pack, all right? So make sure for men, you want to be between 5% to about 8%, and then for women, you want to be between 8% to about 15%, all right? And within those ranges, you will see six-pack abs. You will see your six-pack abs, guys, all right? All right, so make sure that you leave comments. I'm always reading your comments. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll be posting some more videos soon for you. Peace.